Welcome to the introductory video on the Parasense platform to the compliance calendar. Now, the whole aim of the compliance calendar is to provide users with full visibility of upcoming and completed tasks to help people effectively schedule and be able to look at all previous information that's been entered into the system. So let me show you how we do this. Now, you access the compliance calendar using the left-hand menu. We have two views, summary and advanced. I'm going to work through the summary first. This provides you a list of all overdue tasks. In this example we don't have any, so that's very good. And any tasks that are upcoming this week, next week, or in the next 30 days ahead. We can also see recently completed historical tasks up to 30 days ago. For a full view, we use the advanced tab. But I'll just focus here on the summary for a moment. To demonstrate the upcoming tasks, I'll work through a full example, but just to quickly show you how this page works, if I expand some of these historical sections, we can see last week we carried out 2 tasks, and if I click on one of these items, this add refrigerant for example, I can see all the steps that we completed. And I can go into detail by clicking on this eye icon and seeing everything that was involved. Okay, so let's run through an example. We'll focus in this upcoming task section, and just to keep our data clear for the demo, I'm going to go all the way in and I'm going to select a site and even an equipment. Air handler unit 1. Okay, pop him out the way, and just to verify where we are before we start, this piece of equipment has had 1 addition in July. We're currently sitting at just under 2%, so we can see it grow from here. Okay, so we don't have anything scheduled for this equipment, but let's say we've just gone and added some refrigerant, so I'll just go and pop that into the system now. And we can see that our leak rate is now 10%, so that's over our threshold. Okay, so popping back into the compliance calendar, first of all we can see that that event I've just added is down here. Here's my £10, and also you can see that it's scheduled the leak inspection, so we have full view now. We have to do an inspection by the 16th of January next year, but I'm going to go ahead and do that now. For ease, I'm going to say we have found a leak. We're going to say it's a burst pipe. We'll just keep it nice and simple right now and save that. And I'm going to add a works order in this example now because we'll look at this later. I'm going to just call it CC, just stand for cold care, and make up some numbers. There we go. Okay, and I'll do another one here, just in case there's a different number set. Okay, let's save this. Popping back into the compliance calendar. So now we can see that we've added refrigerant and we've had a leak inspection. And we've got our event ID and our works order number visible here. And now our leak inspection that was scheduled is in the completed task. We have a leak repair to do. And again, I'm going to enter that straight through here. Say it's repaired, of course. I compare it with this. Okay, so now popping into the compliance calendar, we can see all 3 are down here and complete. We add refrigerant, and here's our repair. And now there's nothing else scheduled for the upcoming 30 days. Just popping up into the refrigerant usage. Here's the addition we've just added. And let's now pop back into our compliance calendar. And now we're going to look at the advanced view. Now here in the advanced view we can see the full history between our wider dates. We can pick whatever dates we wanted. And also here we can do our searching by event IDs and work orders. Now, we've only got 4 visible here, but you can imagine if you've got your whole enterprise, can be quite a long list, but just to make it super clear, here we go. I'm going to type in the work order, and I'm just going to go and type in our numbers, CC56. I'll just stop at that point right now. I'm going to go search, and look, here it is. It's now filtered down just to that item. We can also search by event ID, so let me clear him, and event ID, well, there was certainly 168, that was the one before, and there it is. Okay, I'll just clear those filters. That should bring everything back up again. Again, here you can see the full history of everything that's happened. Here's the one we added in the past. And if we go and spin this now up to the higher level, the whole company, we can see all the events that have happened on this, within this organization, coming back to as far as records began. I hope that gave you a good overview of the compliance calendar on the Parasense platform. If you want to find out more about any of the other areas we touched on, refrigerant usage or record event, please see our other videos. Thanks for watching.